Iovino Enterprises is a venture capitalist firm specialized in the construction industry. So what we do is we acquire new companies, new businesses, we promote new businesses, and then we manage all the support, and that includes all the technology, legal, human resources, sureties, financials, and so forth. Right? Iovino Enterprise is a very new company. We had a lot of different issues that we want to make sure that that we can resolve, and that's the reason why we decided to go with Micro Excel. When we started looking at the different vendors, we did decide to go to with Micro Excel, mainly because of their expertise, in the space, but also because we want to make sure that we kept building on top of our Office 365 offering that we already have. The reason why we decided to go with Micro Excel, right, as our development partner was, on the internet, we have specific drivers that we want to make sure that we accomplish, and, around increased communication between our employees, strengthen our family values, increase collaboration, collective intelligence, increase the pace of innovation, break silo processes, right? So Microsoft developed an intranet for us that actually touched upon all those drivers, and we're very proud of it. We're very proud of the work that they did, but we're very proud of the product that we received from Microexcel, and we're very proud of the support that they gave us throughout the process, and they're still giving us now. Projects, but I'm gonna focus on the intranet from now. One of the things that we wanted to do with the intranet is making sure that we engage our employees, right? That we accelerate innovation, right? That we develop business processes and automate some of our paper processes. And I think the intranet has given us that platform to just do that. We're looking to see, an accelerated pace in innovation. We're looking to see people doing a lot of collaborating within the platform. We're looking to see new business processes being developed, right? So this platform has given us, the base just to do that. We launched this platform about a week ago, and we already seeing the benefits. People are really, engaging within the intranet, and some of these new processes are already being used. The reason why we decided to go with Microsoft at the beginning was one, because of the expertise in the area, right? They're an Office 365 shop. They've developed a lot of different intranets, and I was really captivated by that. But also the project management skills, the project management practice, and throughout the development of of all those different systems that they're doing for us, right, including the intranet and some other systems that they're working on, we've seen the way they approach the client, right? That they're for us. We oftentimes have daily communication, sometimes multiple times a day, and this is what we're looking for in a partner, right? Somebody that is there for us. Our IT team is very lean. It's very small. So the idea for us to get into to work with Microsoft is not just for them to develop a solution for us, but to work as our partners, right? They're there for us. It's part of the family, and that's, I think. This is what the value that they bring to the to our relationship. From the inception of Iovino Enterprises to invest in Office 365 was for multiple reasons. One of them is we are a very agile company, and we need to bring partners as quick as possible. Okay. And so the easiest way for us to do is make sure that we build a cloud-first infrastructure, right? From the server point of view, from the infrastructure point of view, networking, and application, and so forth. So Office 365 was, to us, was the right way, the right approach for us to go. Right now, it's very easy for us to spin a new company. It's very easy for us to spin new locations because we are on the platform, and because we wanted to not just use Office applications, but all what the Microsoft Office 365 has to offer, such as SharePoint, Yammer, Teams, and all the functionality that is already embedded within the application. If you are an organization such as us, right, that looking for development partners, Somebody that has a full spectrum of programming capabilities, right, and a very well-grounded project management practices. I think that microExcel is the way to go. Very small IT team. We need somebody not only to develop the product for us, but also to manage the implementation and the development of the project, right? That's the reason why we decided to go with the microExcel. They're very professional, they're very efficient, and they deliver what they say they're going to deliver. I would say partnership. They're here not just to develop a product for us and go, but they're here throughout the whole way. So we are really enjoying the partnership with them. microExcel, to work on our internet project back in the fall of 2018, we have that specific project to work on, which they deliver very well. But since then, we have implemented other projects, such as they built for us an integration between our talent platform and our ERP. So that when we hire new employees, we don't do the double entry anymore. So it's all an automated process. On top of that, they're working on a different integration, which is for our union labor onboarding. What happens is that we manage probably over 300 employees, and a lot of those are also the process of onboarding them. It was very difficult. So now we engage microExcel to develop a solution based on our Office 365 SharePoint / intranet that they already developed, in order to also automate that process, right? On top of that, they're working on another solution for us, which is to develop a data warehouse so that we can take advantage of another Office 365 offerings, which is Power BI, to bring that intelligence, to our employees. So I see a very good synergy going on. These guys are up to date with all Microsoft technologies, and we feel upon each other. We present the business case, they come out with a solution, they develop a POC, then we move forward. And that's the nature of the relationship. Very helpful with us. They're always willing to help us. They're always willing to take care of the problems, our rights. They have a great leadership team, and and I think that we have a very good relationship. I think that we have a very good synergy.